Hey, it's Dan on Live. We're over here, Warner and Newland, and we're here at Pierside Parts, and something's going on here. We got Frank and his vert over here. I'm gonna have to see Mike, see what's going on here. What's the meaning of all this? What's going on? What's this? Volkswagen's on a Friday. We're here at Pierside. What's going on? Hey, Frank.
What's that?
Good. What's going on here, huh? Hey guys.
Getting ready for an open house.
Open house here? Man, I didn't get the memo. I'm glad it's going by
A lot
here.
of people probably didn't get the memo, but
I saw it on the,
Yeah.
there's an events list for this week
yes.
on the net, isn't there?
Yes.
Okay, all right,
One
yeah.
of them, and then there's another one later on in
Yeah,
Corona.
that's right. I did see it. Yeah,
Yeah,
Prado
Octo.
Dam.
You going to Octo?
Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. That's what's going on here. Come on down here. Check it out. Got some cool Volkswagens. Yeah. This is Friday morning. We'll be here for a few hours. Pierside Parts. Come check it out and see some cool things. Yep. Miami Beach. Look at that, huh? Open house. Ah, cool. Oh, is that Sabrina? I think Sabrina is providing the music. It is Sabrina. Wow. Open house. Sabrina singing on the vocals, playing her guitar. Pierside Parts. Where is Mike? Every time I come in, Mike, you're not here. It's cool if you've never been to this store and you got Volkswagen or just want to come out and check out cool stuff. They got a lot of cool stuff in here. Anything you need for your Volkswagen, come find it here. Pierside Parts. Cool exhaust systems. You name it. It's got to even get a penny candy. That's probably about 50 cents now. So there you have it. Dan Alive. Warner and Magnolia. Warner and Newland, rather. Huntington Beach, California. Pierside Parts. Rare vintage airs in the house. Frank's got his vert. It's a 54. One of the most prettiest ones you're ever going to find. And Sabrina's going to jam up on the guitar. So come check it out. You won't be disappointed. There's Sabrina. Yay!
What do I got to do?